Sup guys, my name is Booberin and welcome. We are at RainGG again ready to have some profit. So before I start, don't forget, if you want to deposit, you have the link on the description or on the comment section. You earn 5% bonus, 3 free cases, and if you deposit above $5, you have entry for the giveaway of 50 coins. So just do it. Let me just open here the free case and we earn some 10 cents, okay, not bad. And we go through the battles again. If you didn't saw the last video, just go check it out, because bro, I just dropped a freaking 4K 4K sticker, yes, from NIP, and it was freaking crazy, 500 to 4K dollars. It was crazy. We're gonna start with just one case of 161 and we lost. We win? How? Blood on in the water, good. And we are already in profit of 71. It's just that easy to profit here on RainGG. I don't even complain about it. So we're gonna go to again to verse 2 and maybe we're gonna do some 5%, 10%. We're gonna go to one anomaly, 10%. Sorry. Let's just check. If it hits, we are freaking rich. Okay, it doesn't hit, no problem. We go again to verse 2. Volatile ascending, but we're gonna put to 25 to 100. We're gonna start nice and slow with some not expensive cases. 162 at 2 verse 2. Let's go. This video is going in a fast pace, but I hope we can earn some money as well. Okay, just shit right here, nothing, not a single drop. Okay, now we are talking. I mean, it's not that good, but not bad. Stop, please, bro. Oh my god, that was almost. And Sahara case. I guess we lost by how much? Yeah, by a lot. Fuck. Okay, no problem. Maybe we can do a all-in like we always do. Oh yes, I think the all-in is calling me. 244. Okay. Alright, guys, don't forget, leave a like, subscribe. Oh, sorry, not a 1 versus 1. Yeah, but it has to be. Sorry. If you want to deposit, use the link on the description. 5% bonus, 3 free cases, and if you deposit above $5, you can earn 50 coins. So, good luck on the giveaway as well. And let's roll the dice. You know what I feel about the 10%? It's really hard to hit, but if we do, we earn some coins. Right now no one is dropping anything, but in 20 cases at 10% we have a chance of drop like 2 times. Okay, boring, super boring. We need something big, bro, something big. Almost half done and we are not seeing any profit yet. We see some rain symbols, but zero profit. Okay, 9 cases, bro. Don't even think about it. Good boy. That's a good bot. Come on, can like we drop something? Not even a budget knife, which is strange. 5 cases to go and my hopes are dying. Or not? 3 in a row, bro! What are the chances? 10% mixer? Okay. Please give me something good. Please, bro, please. Lower a little bit. Fuck. If it had the knife, the gloves, it would be crazy. Like 300. Damn. 3 to go. And we lost money on this battle. Two to go. Don't. No. Oof. The bot like to last cases, but not today. Okay. 169. Maybe I'm gonna open 5 of these? 4? Just to check what happens. Okay. It's like a 50-50, bro. Okay, good. Okay, you're gonna sell. We're gonna sell everything. And we're gonna go to upgrader. Max amount. 2x maybe, and we're gonna go to this side. 3, okay, maybe not 1.7. Can I do like, nah, can change that. Okay, we're gonna do 1.5 first. Close. Okay, pretty good. And then we're gonna go with 2x, but this time gonna go to this one. Stop. Good. Okay, we are doing it. And now we're gonna go to 1.5 again. No, we're gonna go to 2x, and we're gonna go over. Please, just it, please. I beg you. Stop. Yes! Good. Okay, we just came back on this upgrader from 200 to 613. So we ended up the video with $113 in profit. So I'm gonna just withdraw the 130 and I'm gonna save 500 for the next video. So thank you guys for watching, thank you again for being here, and I see you again on the next video. Cheers!